Hello, welcome back to another video. So, have we just brought the cheapest EP3 Type R in the UK? I'll let you guys decide. Reckon then? Pretty cool. I'll let you guys know soon what we actually paid for it, but it was cheap. Reason being is it's been off the road since 2020. It's not had an MOT. We've not even heard it start. Literally loaded it up on the trailer, dumped it in here, and it's been sat here ever since. Before we even attempt to start it, we want to give it a full service, some fresh fuel, and give it its best chance really, because I don't want to start it on that fuel, give it a fresh battery, and hopefully it runs. I mean, overall condition doesn't look that bad. I mean, it's very green, so I actually cannot wait to wash this car. I'm so excited. Rear end wise, everything looks good other than a little bit of paint peel down here. So we'll either get that painted or try and find a breaker that has a decent rear bumper on it. Paint wise, I think it's a little bit bad up here. But again, maybe boot lid, maybe a little bit of paint, who knows. Rear quarters, they're all pretty good. I mean, a little bit of rust on there. And I know these are very common for rotting underneath the rear door speakers, but I have had one of them out. I have poked my hand down there. There's a little bit of surface rust in there, but there is no corrosion. So I will pull the interior out of the car and treat that, give it some protection. In terms of under here, I mean, there is some light corrosion on little bits and pieces, but that is to be expected, but that is nothing that can't be cleaned up really. Do please excuse the lighting in here. We have to get these lights changed because it's just not bright enough. I do have this, which is okay, but it will do for now anyway. But going around the front of the car, you know, it's fairly good condition. There's a little bit of damage on this wing. Again, same as the rear. If we can find a breaker, we get another wing. I think the mesh that goes in these, they are also missing, so we will be on the hunt for them as well. I'm going to attempt to show you the interior, but as I said, the lighting in here is terrible, so it's going to be quite difficult, but I'll flip the camera around and have a look. Let us know what you think. Interior wise, you'll obviously have to mind the lighting, because I did say it is terrible in here, but it's actually not mouldy considering it has been sat. It's actually really clean in here. The seats are in really good condition. Not really any wear on the bolsters. We'll just get some suede cleaner on there and a little brush and clean them right up, I reckon. But other than that, it's actually pretty good. We did find a gem hidden in the glove box. Service book. So this is pretty cool. It's actually one page, so don't mind me. Honda, 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 Honda. Can we actually flip the page? Honda, Honda. Full Honda service history. I have been told another area on these that rot quite bad is in the boot. So I think we'll have a proper look in the boot and see what we can see. So let's empty it out. Typical Honda, oil in the boot. first inspection, it looks all right. Doesn't look too bad. Got my trusty light. Let's take this out and have a little look. Never-ending thread. Come on. Give myself a repetitive strain injury. Just taking the spare wheel out of the car. There we go. Cool. Let's get that out of here. Oh. We don't want that. Let's have a little look. That to me looks really good, and I cannot complain at that at all. So I am excited to get this on the ramp, because after looking at bits like this and then the rear door cards, it doesn't seem to be rusty, so I think we're going to be okay. I'm not actually going to give away the price on this yet. Let you guys comment down below. Let me know what you think we paid for this, considering its condition. We got it pretty cheap. I will let you know in a later video, but I'll leave that to you guys to decide for now. Cool, I am going to leave that one there. Just a little short video, a little introduction to the car. Got plenty to do on it, so I think first things first, we are going to give it a service. Fresh fuel, fresh battery, actually get it running so we can actually move it around the workshop, because it is currently in the way and it is a massive pain. I think once it's running, we will then do brakes, brake fluid, any belts that need doing, gearbox oil change, some fresh tyres, a good clean, which I am super excited to do because it's going to be so satisfying. And then I think we treat any rust. If we have to weld anything up, we will weld it up. We can do that all in here. And yeah, I think we will then throw it in for an MOT and see where we're at. Awesome, cool. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tick the little, I don't know, whatever it's called, the little notification bell, so you are notified when we put new videos up. We'll try and sort the lighting out in here as soon as possible, really, so it's a little bit more enjoyable. I actually need to start using my microphone so you can hear better. But yeah, we'll leave that there, and I'm hoping we can get another video out in the next week or so and get it running. I think the end goal with this is I've always wanted to throw one around the track. We have Snetterton racetrack fairly local to us. It's only about half an hour away, so I think that might be the end goal for this car, and go and enjoy it around the track for a bit. Awesome. See ya.